Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys, welcome to the Dal Education Project video tutorial series for the Firebase. And in this session number 3, we are going to learn how to add the Firebase files automatically in the new versions of the Android 3.1. So just go and start here. This version will be needed here, version 3.01, and I am creating a new studio file here. Messaging application 2. Okay, now we are going to create it and then click on the next one and click on empty activity. So this procedure is the same, and then you will create the file here. Okay guys, when your Gradle was finished, then go to the tools where. Okay, then you can see that this Firebase was here. It means that your Android version was ported the Firebase automatically. Similarly, there are the other versions like Kotlin is here. We will create the Kotlin tutorial as soon as possible. But first of all, just click on the Firebase. When you click on the Firebase, then a new menu was created here. That first of all, as you can understand, Firebase gives you the tools and infrastructure from Google to help you develop, grow and earn money from your app. First of all, it was remote lab, test lab, crash reporting, and lot of information is here. But for this thing, we are selecting cloud messaging, for example, notification storage, crash reporting, app indexing, and we use I thought authentication, real-time database, cloud messaging. Set up Firebase cloud messaging for it. Just click on it. Then you can see that connect your app to the Firebase. Click on this button. Okay. Remember that every application has a different one. Since that we are using the database, then we need another things. Then you can see that accounts.google.com, it was automatically open it and sign in Google. Okay, for example, I am clicking on my Google account. After authentication, it will ask you that allow it or not. You will click on it that it will allow you or manage your application developed by Google App Engine. Okay, when this message was shown as success, explore here. The site used cookies to for you. This was Android Studio, and when you go back to your Android Studio, then you can see that it will automatically connecting it. Here, a new pop-up window was created here. Create new Firebase project. You can create messaging application. Choose an existing Firebase Google project and United States. You can remember that in the last video we are creating the new app and we have follow all these things in the website. Now we need to just click on connect to the Firebase. When you click on the Firebase, it was connecting app to the Firebase and creating all needed files directly install on your system, and you don't need to worry about in which file you need to insert the file or not. It will download the JSON file directly into your. Just wait for a few seconds. Registering, downloading Firebase configuration file. Now it will automatically adding the. Okay, now you can see that this message was okay connected. Now you can see that whether the file was here. Go to the project and just click on it and just go to the app. Then you can see that Google services.json, which we in the last session created manually. It was automatically added here, and after that we can check that whether the uh, other dependency files was added or not. Then click on the build.gradle, then you can see that the GSM files was not here, and here is the build.gradle was the file was not here. It will only download the JSON file here. Now you need to add FCM to your app. Just click on it, and then you can see that build.gradle, it will add this class path into your project level, and then add this files to your computer. Accept changes, then you can see that it will automatically add the files here and sync the your gradles. Now you can see that um, in the messaging application, this file was which we added manually in the last session was automatically added, and in the app, these two files, implementation com.google.firebase, was added here, and the next thing is that it was added apply plugin com.google.com services, and it will automatically add these files to your program. Just wait for that. That is, the Gradle was built successfully, and add this FCM to your app was mentioned successfully. Okay guys, you can see that dependency is set up correctly. So in this way you can add the files automatically, and it was not a boring and difficult task, but it was automatically done for you by the new versions 3.0.1 and so on. Thank you very much for watching. In the next video we are creating how to send the notifications from the Firebase to your application. Thank you very much for watching. Allah Hafiz.